I'm now going to show you how you mount the Rottefella Performance binding onto a ski with the IFP plate. First, I'm going to attach the heel to the binding house. Find your correct shoe size underneath the binding. Then you fit the forks in place by squeezing on both sides. Ensure the forks are in place and that the two pieces are locked together. Then you open the quick lock mechanism and slide the binding onto the plate from bottom to top. Make sure all edges on the binding grasps on both sides of the mounting plate. Stop when you see the 0 in the two windows. The binding is now in 0 position. Push the quick lock mechanism firmly down and press until you hear 2 clicks. The binding is now locked and ready for use.